weeks ago, we made a video on 10 richest people of Delhi. And in the comments section, you told us you want to know the 10 richest people of Bengaluru. So here we are with our video. Number 1 on our list is Azim Premji and his family. Azim Premji is the chairperson of Wipro Limited. What started as a small family business, he's transformed it into a global powerhouse. Under his leadership, Wipro has diversified its portfolio from a FMCG company to becoming a leader in the software services and technology consulting business. Through the Azim Premji Foundation, he focuses on education reform in India, emphasizing quality and equality. Number 2. Narayan Murthy and family. Narayan Murthy is a pioneering figure in the Indian IT industry and he co-founded Infosys in the year 1981. He laid the foundation of India's software service export boom. His emphasis on values, transparency and corporate governance have set a high standard in the industry. Murthy's family, including his wife Sudha Murthy, has been an integral part to Infosys' journey and its philanthropic endeavors. Number 3. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw is the founder of Biocon Limited, which he transformed from a small garage startup in 1978 into one of the world's leading biopharmaceutical companies. Beyond business, she advocates for affordable healthcare and women empowerment. Under her visionary leadership and commitment to innovation, Biocon has propelled to crazy heights. And by the way, she has also been bestowed with one of India's highest civilian honors, the Padma Shri. Number 4. Nitin Kamath. Now, Nitin Kamath is known for co-founding Zerodha, the country's largest retail brokerage, with his brother Nikhil. Nitin started as a trader himself and he's revolutionized the brokerage industry by introducing discount brokerage model.
See, when we started the business, there was no big ambitions. We were really thinking building Zerodha as an extension to what we were doing, Nikhil and I as traders back then.
Number 5. Jitendra Virwani. Jitendra Virwani is a prominent Indian real estate developer and entrepreneur known for co-founding the Embassy Group. It is a leading property development firm in India. Under his leadership, the Embassy Group has developed iconic commercial and residential projects contributing to India's urban infrastructure. Number 6. PNC Menon. PNC Menon is the founder and chairman of Sobha Limited, one of India's largest real estate developers. He started it as a small interior decoration business in Oman and later ventured into the real estate in India in 1990s. Number 7. Nandan Nilekani. Nandan Nilekani is a prominent Indian entrepreneur, technologist and philanthropist known for co-founding Infosys. As the company's former CEO and later as the chairman of Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI, he's played a pivotal role in the development and implementation of Aadhaar. He, along with his wife, Rohini Nilekani, are known for being philanthropists and supporting social causes. They've promoted social welfare, education and healthcare in India. Number 8. Raja Bagmane. Raja Bagmane is a prominent Indian real estate developer and entrepreneur. He is known for his contributions to the commercial real estate and the state-of-the-art IT parks in Bangalore. Founded in 1998, the Bagmane Group has established itself as a leading developer and asset manager of Grade A properties in Bangalore. Bagmane's entrepreneurial journey signifies resilience, vision, and a passion for urban development. Number 9. Ranjan Pai. Ranjan Pai is a prominent Indian entrepreneur and educationist. He is known for his contributions to the healthcare and education sectors. As the chairman of Manipal Education and Medical Group, he oversees a diverse portfolio. He has educational institutions and healthcare facilities, including the Manipal hospitals, and his entrepreneurial vision, coupled with his focus on social impact, has earned him a widespread recognition. And finally, number 10, GM Rao. GM Rao or Grandi Mallikarjuna Rao is the founder chairman of GMR Group. It is a global infrastructure developer and operator based in India. He started the GMR Group in 1978 and today it is present in 7 countries. They are active in the energy, highways, large urban development and airport sectors. They are known for building and operating world-class national assets such as multiple airports in India. Now if you've liked this list, let me know in the comment section which are other cities or states of which the richest people you'd want to know. And for more such learnings, follow my channel.